the ultimate guide to picking the best car insurance for your needs. Car insurance is one of those things you hope you never need, but when you do, you'll be thankful you chose the right policy. With so many providers, plans, and confusing terms, picking the best car insurance for your needs can feel overwhelming. Whether you're a new driver, a seasoned commuter, or someone looking to switch providers, this guide will help you understand what to look for and how to make the best decision for your situation. Why car insurance matters. Car insurance isn't just a legal requirement in most places. It's your financial safety net. A good insurance policy protects you against the high costs of accidents, theft, natural disasters, and liability claims. It can mean the difference between a minor inconvenience and a financial catastrophe. That's why it's so important to choose a policy that matches your driving habits, budget, and lifestyle. Types of car insurance coverage. Before comparing providers, you need to understand the types of coverage available. Here's a breakdown of the most common types. 1. Liability insurance. Liability insurance covers damage you cause to other people and their property. Most states require it by law. It includes bodily injury liability, covers medical expenses and legal fees if you injure someone. Property damage liability pays for damage to someone else's car or property. 2. Collision coverage. Collision insurance pays for damage to your car in the event of an accident, regardless of who is at fault. This is especially useful for newer or high-value vehicles. 3. Comprehensive coverage. Comprehensive insurance covers damage caused by things other than collisions, such as theft, vandalism, weather events, or hitting an animal. 4. Personal injury protection, PIP, or medical payments, MedPay. These cover medical expenses for you and your passengers, regardless of fault. PIP may also cover lost wages and rehab costs. 5. Uninsured/underinsured motorist coverage. If you're hit by someone with little or no insurance, this coverage helps pay for your damages and medical expenses. Step-by-step guide to choosing the right policy. Step 1. Assess your needs. Start by evaluating your driving habits, vehicle type, and financial situation. Ask yourself, how often and how far do I drive? Is my car new, used, leased, or financed? Can I afford a higher deductible to save on premiums? Do I drive in areas prone to accidents or severe weather? Your answers will help determine the level of coverage you need. Step 2. Know your state requirements. Every state in the U.S. has its own minimum coverage laws. Make sure you know what's legally required where you live. However, minimum coverage may not be enough to fully protect you, especially if you have assets or drive a high-value vehicle. Step 3. Compare insurance providers. Not all insurers are created equal. Here's what to consider when comparing companies. Financial strength. Look for insurers with strong ratings from AM Best, Moody's, or Standard & Poor's. This indicates they can pay out claims reliably. Customer service. Read reviews, check J.D. Power rankings, and ask friends or family about their experiences. Claims process. A smooth, fast claims process is crucial during stressful times. Discounts and benefits. Look for providers that offer discounts for safe driving, bundling policies, good student grades, or having safety features on your car. Step 4. Understand the costs. Insurance costs vary based on multiple factors, including your age, driving record, location, and vehicle type. Make sure you understand premiums, the amount you pay monthly or annually. Deductibles, what you pay out of pocket before insurance kicks in. Coverage limits, the maximum amount your insurer will pay for a claim. Choose a balance between affordability and adequate protection. A lower premium might mean a higher deductible or less coverage when you need it most. Step 5. Take advantage of discounts. Many insurers offer a wide range of discounts that can significantly reduce your premium. Common discounts include safe driver discount, multi-policy discount, e.g., bundling home and auto, good student discount, low mileage discount, defensive driving course completion, vehicle safety features, anti-lock brakes, airbags, etc. Always ask what discounts are available. You might be surprised how much you can save. Step 6. Reevaluate annually. Your insurance needs can change over time. Maybe you bought a new car, moved to a new city, or improved your credit score. Make it a habit to review your policy annually and compare quotes to ensure you're still getting the best deal. Common mistakes to avoid. 1. Choosing the cheapest option. It's tempting to go with the lowest premium, but it can cost you more in the long run if you're underinsured. Always compare value, not just price. 2. Not reading the fine print. Make sure you understand what's included and what isn't. Some policies exclude common scenarios like rental car coverage or roadside assistance unless you add them. 3. Failing to update your policy. If your circumstances change, your policy should too. For example, if you now work from home and drive less, you could qualify for a lower rate. 4. Skipping comprehensive or collision on a financed car. If you're still paying off a loan, the lender may require comprehensive and collision coverage. Dropping it prematurely could violate your contract and leave you unprotected. Tips for getting better rates. Improve your credit score. In many states, a better credit score can lead to lower premiums. Drive safely. Tickets and accidents can significantly raise your rates. Bundle policies. Combine auto with home, renters, or life insurance to unlock discounts. Shop around. Don't settle for the first quote. Compare at least 3 providers. Raise your deductible. If you have savings set aside, increasing your deductible can lower your premium. Final thoughts. Picking the right car insurance isn't just about ticking boxes. It's about peace of mind. You want a policy that fits your life, protects your finances, and won't let you down when you need it most. Take the time to understand your coverage, assess your unique needs, and shop smart. A little research now can save you a lot of stress and money later. The best car insurance is the one that works for you, not just the one with the catchiest commercial. The role of technology in modern car insurance. In recent years, technology has revolutionized the car insurance industry. Many insurers now offer telematics or usage-based insurance programs that track your driving habits using a mobile app or a device installed in your car. These systems monitor things like speed, braking, mileage, and time of day you drive. Safe drivers can benefit from significant discounts, while risky behavior might lead to higher premiums. This personalized approach gives drivers more control over their rates and encourages safer habits behind the wheel. Considering customer support and accessibility. Beyond price and coverage, consider how accessible and helpful a provider is when you need them. Can you manage your policy easily online or through a mobile app? Is customer service responsive and available 24/7?
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like videos like this. Thank you.